So, question 10. Which type of pigeon would you like to be and why? Try and answer in as much detail as you can using information from the passage to help you. So, first of all, we can see that this is a 4-mark question. So, we have to write quite a lot of detail. Let's look at the question and break it down so we know exactly what we've got to do. So, we've got to decide on which type of pigeon we would like to be. So I'm going to underline type of pigeon, and we have to say which one to be and why. So we have to give reasons for our choice. Then it goes on and says try and answer in as much detail as you can. So we have to create detail, and then it says using information from the passage to help you. So I'm going to highlight or underline information from the passage, so that can give us our ideas. So we have to decide on our pigeon, say why, give detail and use information from the passage. That's what the instructions say. So I've gone and done that. I've highlighted some information below from the passage, which is going to help us. So we know that racing pigeons, first of all, are special, because that's what that first bit tells us. And then we know that they're important, because they're the only one important kind of pigeon. Okay, so they're important. And why are they important? Because they get to fly in races, which we learned down there. So that's the reasons I'm going to choose why I would like to be a racing pigeon. But then at the end, I'm also going to put my own personal feelings as well. So I'm using 3 bits of detail from the passage, and then I'm going to put another reason, which is my personal reason. And that will give me 4 marks. And the reason I'm putting my own personal reason at the end is so that I am being different from everybody else, because that's really important, okay? You need to make sure that you are standing out to the examiner. And when there's a question that asks for your own opinion and you have choice and you can answer it in any way that you like, it's really important to be honest and tell the examiner what you think and be individual in that response. So I'm going to write the answer now, and then I'll explain a little bit more what I mean if you didn't quite get that. So I've written, I would like to be a racing pigeon because they are special and important. So that's 2 points. They fly in races, which is fun, 3 points. Now I'm giving a little bit more extra information to say why I really want to be a racing pigeon. And I said, I really enjoy competitions and racing. So that is why I would like to be a racing pigeon. So I'm giving my own personal reason for wanting to be a racing pigeon. And that will give me my 4th mark.